Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome to Mathematics Point. Students, today we will do chapter 2, NSM 1, Integers, Fractions and Real Number, question 10, part A. That is regarding to the fractions involving negative numbers. So first of all, in this question 10 part A, we have to solve this bracket. Or firstly, you can solve it is easy approach that you solve the mixed fractions firstly. So we start the question. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Minus 8 by 5 minus. Okay, firstly we solve this mixed fraction. 2 4s are 8 plus 1. Always add the numerators. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. Now in the next step you can see that we have a bracket and there is a minus sign inside as well as outside the bracket. So now you have to concept that whenever this negative sign outside the bracket, the inner sign will change. One concept, and the other concept is that in multiplication minus minus will become plus. Minus 8 by 5 minus minus plus, and we have 9 by 4. Now the bracket will remove. There's no need to write the bracket again. Then minus 1 by 2. Now in this concept, we will take the LCM for 5, 4 and 2. So we'll take the LCM of 5, 4 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2, and then 5 is a prime number as 5 1s are 5. So we have the factors of this. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Here we have the LCM 20. Now we equalize the denominator of the fractions. Now we have the LCM 20, to which term or which digit we multiply 5, so 5 will become 20. So when we multiply 5 with 4, so it becomes 20. Multiply this 4 also with the numerator of that fraction. What sign we have? Place the sign as it. 4 8s are 32. Then next what is sign is plus. From which term we multiply 4, so it becomes 20. When 4 is multiplied with 5, so it becomes 20. Multiply that 5 also with the numerator. 5 9s are 45. Then what is the next sign? Minus. When 2 is multiplied with 10, so it becomes 20. Multiply that 10 with also with numerator of this fraction. 10 1s are 10. Here student, you can observe that from the term from which digit we multiply the term, that digit is multiplied in the numerator. As here we multiply denominator with the 4, so in the numerator also multiply with the 4 of that fraction. Same in the next fraction, we multiply denominator with 5, so we multiply 5 also with the numerator of that fraction. Now we solve all the terms of this minus 32 plus 45 and minus 10. Here we add minus 32 plus 45 minus 10. So we get the answer 3. 3 by 20. Now students, it is a proper fraction, so there is no need to more simplify it because it is already in simplified. So this is your answer of question 10 part A. Now student, part B of question 10. Now you can see that we have mixed fractions, this and also this mixed fraction. Now it is your own choice, rather you want to solve the bracket firstly, or you can also solve the mixed forms. I solve mixed form firstly. 5 6 are 30 plus 1 31, so 31 by 5. Then minus 3 by 4 plus minus 10 4s are 40 plus 1 41 by 10. Now in the second step we will solve the brackets. 31 by 5 plus minus plus 3 by 4, because in multiplication whenever you multiply minus with minus it will become plus. Now next is plus minus minus 41 by 10. Now in the next step we take the LCM of 5, 4 and 10. So the LCM of 5, 4 and 10. 5 will be same. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Then again with 2, 5 2 1s are 2. And next will be divided with 5, 5 1s are 5 and 5 1s are 5. So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Now same is the process that equalize the denominator with the LCM. When we multiply 5 with 4, so our denominator will become 20. Multiply that 4 with denominator as well as with numerator. So when we multiply 4 with 31, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, it is 124. Then what is the next sign? Plus. Put up the sign as well. Then multiply 4 with 5, so it become 20. Multiply that 5 also with the numerator. 3 5s are 15. What is the next sign? Minus. Now when we multiply 10, so that 10 will become 20. You always see the denominator, that from which term you multiply your denominator, so your denominator will become equal to your numerator. So when we multiply 10 with 2, it become 20, and multiply that 2 also with the numerator. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. That means when we multiply 41 with 2, we get the answer 82. Now we solve that. 124 plus 15 minus 82. Okay, after solving these three numbers, so three terms, we get the answer 57, and our denominator is 20. Now students, you can observe that in this fraction, this is the improper fraction. Why so? Because our denominator is smaller than our numerator. The term that is in our numerator, this is our numerator, it is bigger than our denominator. Now for further simplification, we divide 57 with 20. 22s are 40. Now 7 minus 0, 7, and 5 minus 4, 1. Now write down this division in cyclic form. Your remainder will be shifted on the top position, then quotient will be on left side, and your divisor on the bottom towards your denominator. So this is your answer of part B. Now part C of question 10. Again, that is your own choice, rather you want to solve the bracket firstly or mixed form. So in this question, I solve the bracket firstly. 4 2 by 7 plus minus minus, or you can also say that when there is a plus sign outside the bracket, the inner sign will remain the same. Then 6 1 by 3 minus minus plus 4 21. And one thing more, whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, the inner sign will be changed. Now in the next step, we will solve these mixed fractions. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. 30 by 7 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19 plus 4 by 21. Now in the next step, we take the LCM of 7, 3 and 21. 7, 3 and 21. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, then 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So we have the LCM, multiply 3 by 7, we get 21. So 21 is our LCM. Now from which term we multiply this 7 of this denominator, so our 7 will become 21. When we multiply 7 with 3, our 7 will become 21. 3 7s are 21. So multiply that 3 also with the numerator of this fraction. So 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9. What is the next sign? Minus. Put up the minus sign. Same. Then when we multiply 3 with 7, it becomes 21. Multiply that 7 also with 19. When we multiply 19 with 7, get 133. Now, you can see that the LCM and the denominator of this fraction is same, so there is no need to multiply with any number. Or if you have the concept of a two-home number from which number we multiply, so you can say that 21 ones are 21, and when we multiply 1 with the numerator, so 4 ones are 4. That's why mostly whenever they are same denominator with the LCM, so we didn't multiply with any number. Now in the next step, we solve these number. I'm using the calculator. You can also do manually. Okay, by solving this number with 3 terms, we get the answer minus 39 by 21. Now, you look at your fraction. Your fraction is improper fraction because 39 is smaller than 21. Now, for further simplification, we divide 39 with 21. 21 ones are 21. 9 minus 1, 8, and 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1. Now we write this term in cycle process in mixed fraction 18, 1 on left side and 21. Now here we can do the cutting of 18 and 21. 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. So 1 6 by 7. Okay, also place the minus sign because we have minus 38 by 21. The fraction have the negative sign. Put that negative sign also with the answer. You can also do the cutting at this stage. You can cut 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and then take the division of that term, which I have done in this step. So it is your own choice on which step you want to do. Now in part A, we have brackets, mixed fractions involving positive and negative numbers. So okay, students, do your question easily. Stop figure whenever you want to solve, rather the mixed form first or rather the brackets. So plus minus, minus 3 1 by 8. Again plus minus, minus 4 by 3. Or you can also say that when I remove these signs, whenever there is a plus sign outside the bracket, the inner sign remains the same. We put the inner sign as well. So we put the minus, and there is a plus sign outside the bracket, so the inner sign will remain the same. You can apply both the concept. Now in the next step, we solve the mixed fraction. Minus 4 minus. Now 3 8s are 24 plus 1 25. 25 by 8. And what will be next sign? Minus 4 by 3. Now students, you can see that we didn't have the denominator of 4. When there is no any denominator, there is a number 1. We take the LCM of 3, 8 and 1. The LCM of 3, 8, 1 is 24. You can write this LCM by doing like this. 124s are 24, so multiply 24 with the denominator as well as with the numerator of that fraction. Now 24 multiplied by 4. 24 multiplied by 4, we get answer 96. Minus 96. Now what is the next sign? Minus. Okay, when we multiply 8 with 3, so it becomes 24. Multiply this 3 also with the numerator of that fraction, only with this fraction. So we multiply 25 with 3. So when we multiply 25 with 3, we get answer 75. Next is minus. When 3 multiply with 8, we get answer 24. Multiply that 8 also with 3 and 8 4. 8 4s are 32. Now we add these terms. What terms we have? Minus 96, minus 75 and minus 32. We get answer minus 203 and denominator is 24. As three terms have the same sign, minus, minus, minus. Whenever we have the same sign in addition and subtraction, terms are added and we put up the sign as the three terms or two terms have. So we add the three terms and the terms have minus sign, so we put the minus. Now it is an improper fraction. We do simplify further because numerator is greater than denominator. So we divide 203 with 24. When you consider first two digits, so 20 is less than 24, so we consider 203 at a time. So 24 multiplied by 8 is equal to 192. Now subtract 203 minus 192 is equal to 11. So we write this division in mixed form. What is sign we have? Minus. So put up the minus sign as well. Then write down this fraction, remainder on the top. Then quotient on the left side. And divisor on the bottom. 24. So this is the answer of your part D. 8 whole 11 by 24. Now part E of question 10. So we start the question. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 1 by 5 plus 2 whole 1 by 4. As you can see that we have a positive sign outside the bracket. So inner sign will remain the same. What is the inner sign? Minus. So minus 7 by 2. Now solve this mixed fraction. 1 by 5 plus 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. Minus 7 by 2. Now take the LCM of 5, 4 and 2. I would prefer that you take the LCM like this because it also revises your chapter 1. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, then again 2 1s are 2, 1, 5, 1s are 5. Now divide the factor, multiply the factors. 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. Now when we multiply 5 with 4, so it becomes 20. Multiply this 4 also with the numerator. Don't forget to multiply that number also with the numerator. And here we just write the numbers that come in the numerators. 4 1s are 4. Then what is the next sign? Plus. So write on the plus. 4 multiplied by 5 and also multiply that 5 with the numerator. 5 9s are 45. And 4 5s are 20, so already write the 20 one time. Next is minus 2 10s are 20, multiply that and also with the numerator. 10 7s are 70. Now I use the calculator to solve the numbers. Minus 4 plus 45 and minus 70. So we get minus 29 by 20. Now students, what fraction is this? It is improper fraction. So it is improper fraction. Whenever there is an improper fraction, and I hope so now you have clear concept about the mixed fraction, proper and improper fraction. As 29 is greater than 20, you can compare the numbers. 29 is greater now, so for that case it is an improper fraction. Always should have the smaller term above in the numerator. Whenever you have the greater term, so there is a need to divide that number. So 21s are 20, 29 minus 29, so write down in the mixed form 9, 1 and 20. And what is the sign? Minus. Always put that sign also with the answer, forward that sign. So alhamdulillah, it is all about your part E, and we have done with question 10. So students, still if there is any problem, so you put your query or your question in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.